Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, taking proper care of yourself. Students, I was surprised to see your videos. You have sent me lots of videos of your reading. That's very good. So, now students, today what we are going to do? Today we are going to do the exercises of lesson 5, Tubby the Fat Cat. So, take out page number 48. Take out your Pearl book, page number 48. One pencil and one eraser. Okay, students? So, take out page number 48. Now, in this exercise, what we have to do? Underline the correct words to complete each sentence. So here sentence is written and you have to underline the correct word. Options are given on the bracket. Bracket में options दिए हुए हैं and you have to underline the correct word. So the first sentence is Andy never went to sleep dash time. So what will come? Andy never went to sleep on time, one time, no time. So the correct answer is on time. Andy never went to sleep on time. So students, I am putting circle over here and you have to underline the correct word. Like this you have to underline it also. Okay. Now the second one. No one knew where Tubby was. No one knew where Tubby was. No one knew where Tubby was. So, the correct answer is knew. K-N-E-W. Knew. Okay. So, underline the word knew. Okay. Underline it. The word knew. Now, the third one. The third sentence is Mother dash tomato soup. Mother made tomato soup. Made tomato soup. Mother made tomato soup. Mother made tomato soup. So the correct spelling is made. M-A-D-E. Made. So underline the word made. I am putting circle over here and you have to underline it. Okay. Now the fourth one. Grandpa asked for a piece of cake. Grandpa asked for a piece of cake. Grandpa asked for a piece of cake. So the correct answer is piece. Tukda. Piece. P-I-E-C-E. Piece. So the correct answer is piece. Now the fifth one. Father cut the cake into 8 pieces or into 8 pieces or into 8 pieces. So the correct spelling is 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. The correct spelling is E-I-G-H-T. 8. So students, in this exercise, what you have to do? Options are given in the bracket and you have to underline the correct spelling. Okay. The sound is same of the words but you have to underline the correct spelling which match with the sentence. So the first one is Andy never went to sleep on time. So the correct one is on. So underline the word on. The second one, no one knew where Tubby was. K-N-E-W. Knew. The third one, mother made tomato soup. Fourth one, grandpa asked for a piece of cake. And the fifth one, father cut the cake into 8 pieces. Okay, students, you all had done this. Now we are going to do the next exercise. Okay. We had finished this exercise. Now we are going to do the next exercise. Now in the next exercise, what we have to do? Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So what we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks with correct words. Okay, kids? So what is the first sentence? Andy did not dash what his mother said. So the options are see, hear, smell. Andy did not see what his mother said, or Andy did not hear what his mother said. Andy did not smell. So एंडी ने क्या नहीं देखा था, उसकी मदर ने क्या कहा कि सुना नहीं था. हियर मीन्स सुनना एंड स्मेल मीन्स सूंघना. सो सुनने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? हियर. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज हियर, HEAR. सो टिक द आंसर B1 and write this on the blank also. Okay, now the second sentence is Rishabh's mother wear a ring on her dash. So Rishabh's mothers wear a ring. Where we wear a ring? On finger, on neck, or on wrist? These are fingers. This is neck and this is wrist. So we wear ringer on our fingers. So the correct answer is finger, A1. Okay. Now the third one. Can you dash a picture of a cat? Can you spell a picture, or can you write a picture, or can you draw a picture of cat? तो पिक्चर के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? स्पेल करते हैं उसको? नो. राइट करते हैं? नो. ड्रॉ करते हैं? यस, हम पिक्चर को ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ड्रॉ, C1. So write the C option, draw. Now the fourth sentence. The children are dash in the pool, and the options are jogging in the pool, skipping in the pool, or swimming in the pool. So what we do in the pool? Do we do jogging, skipping, or swimming? We do swimming over there. So the correct option is swimming, C1. Okay, kids? So write this. Now in this exercise, what we have to do? We have to tick the correct option and we have to write it on the blank. So the first one, Andy did not hear what his mother said. So B option is correct. So tick in the B option and write it in the blank also. Second one, Rishabh's mother wear a ring on her finger. So A1 is correct. Now third one, can you draw a picture of a cat? Now in the third one, C option is correct. Now the fourth one, the children are swimming in the pool. C option is correct. Okay, students, so we have to take the correct option and we have to write it on the blank also. Okay, kids? Now we are moving forward to the next exercise, and the next exercise is read the clues and complete this word. Is what we have to do? We have to read the clues. Picture is given over here and clue is also given, and we have to fill in the correct letter to complete the word. हमको correct letter fill करना है उस word को complete करने के लिए. वो क्या है? So can you see this first picture? It is of green color. Can you see this? It is of green color. Okay. So what you have to do? Can you see this picture? This keep you warm in winter. हमको winter season में, ठंड की season में ये चीज़ warm रखती है. So what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? This is blanket. BLANKET. So in the blank, what will come? ANKET. Okay. Now the second one. This is a color. Can you see the splash of the color over here? So what is this? This is blue color. BLUE, Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. So in the blank you have to write U and E. Now the third one. This is the name of a dress that rhyme with house. हाउस का राइमिंग वर्ड है. ये जो ड्रेस की पिक्चर बनी हुई है रेड कलर की, ये जो ड्रेस है उसका नाम कैसे स्टार्ट होगा? हाउस का राइमिंग वर्ड है. सो इट इज ब्लाउज. इट इज ब्लाउज. हाउस, ब्लाउज, दोनों राइमिंग वर्ड है. B-L-O-U-S-E, blouse. So in the blank what will come? O-U-S-E. Now the fourth one, last one. This is a toy that children play with. This is a toy. Are you able to see this? It is of blue color, pink color. Which toy is this? Can anyone tell me? Blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S. Blocks. So in the blank what will come? O-C-K-S. So in this exercise what we have to do, picture is given over here and we have to recognize it, which picture is this, and for our help clue is also given to us. Okay, so the first one is this keep you warm in winter. What keep you warm in winter? Blanket. And the second one, this is a color, so we are easily able to recognize this. Which color is this? Blue. Now the third one, this is the name of a dress that rhymes with house. ये एक ड्रेस का नाम है जो वर्ड हाउस के साथ उसका राइमिंग सेट होता है. हाउस, ब्लाउज. Now the fourth one, this is a toy which children play with it. Blocks. Okay, now we are going to do the next exercise. I hope you all had written this. Now in the next exercise, what we have to do? Drop E and add ing to these words. So 6 words are given over here. First I am going to read the word. The first word is bake, second is hide, third is make, fourth is bite, fifth is love, and sixth is move. So in all these words, these all words ends with which letter? E. ये सारे वर्ड्स किस लेटर से एंड हो रहे हैं? ई से. सो इन दिस एक्सरसाइज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू ड्रॉप द लेटर ई. जो लास्ट में ई लेटर आ रहा है हमको उसको ड्रॉप करना है, हटा देना है, और हमको उसके बदले क्या ऐड कर देना है? ING. ओके, सो अब हम देखेंगे कि ये वर्ड किस प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे. जैसे ये फर्स्ट वर्ड बेक है, and when we will remove the letter E, so and we will add ING, it is now which word? Baking. So remove the letter, drop the letter E and add ING. BAKING, baking. Now from the second word hide, remove the letter E and add ING into it. So what is this? This is hiding. Hide का क्या हो जाएगा? Hiding. Now the third word make, make का हो जाएगा making. We will drop the letter E and add ING. So it is making. Now the fourth one bite का हो जाएगा biting. Fifth one love, loving. Sixth one move, moving. MOVING, moving. Okay kids, now in this exercise what we have to do, words are given over here and we have to remove and drop the letter E. The last letter of the word E, we have to remove it, and instead of that, in that place what we have to add ING. हमको word का जो last letter है E उसको हटा देना है और वो E के बदले हमें वहाँ पर add करना है ING. So bake का हो जाएगा baking, hide, hiding, make, making, bite, biting, love, loving, move, moving. Okay kids, now we are going to do the next exercise. Add ING to the words in the box. Hint, change E to ING in the words. So students, can you see this? Words are given over here in the box. See in the box over here, purple color box, words are given over here and picture is also given over here. Some kids are playing, some are doing skating. So what we have to do, name is also written over here in front of the picture, name is also written over here, and we have to write the correct word over here. So the hinted words are dance, ride, skate, cycle, ride, slide. In all these words, the end of the last letter of the words are E, and here what we have to do, we have to remove that E and we have to write ing. What we had done in the previous exercise, that same thing we have to do, but we have to write here the correct word related to the name which that person is doing. So the first sentence is Alia is. So can you see a girl over here wearing white and red colored dress, and in front of that girl Alia name is also written. So what she is doing? She is doing dancing. So what are the words written over here? Dance, ride, skate, cycle, ride, slide. So what she is doing? Skating. So we have to remove the letter E and we have to write, what we have to write? ing. So Alia is skating. Now the second one, Roshan is. So where Roshan is written? Can you see? A boy is sitting under the tree wearing red color t-shirt and black color jeans. Roshan is written over there. So what he is doing? He is dancing or what? No. Writing? Yes, he is writing. Roshan is writing. So remove the letter E and write ing. Now the third one, Jack is. So can anyone tell me where Jack is written? Can you see that boy wearing orange color t-shirt? So what he is doing? He is riding. So ride word is written over here. What we have to do? We have to remove the letter E and we have to write ing. So Jack is riding. 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 Now the fourth one, Joe. So where is the word Joe is written? Can you see that boy wearing pink and purple color dress, pink color shirt and purple color pant? So what he is doing? He is sliding. sliding. So we have to remove the letter E and we have to add ing. Now the fifth one, Parveen is. So where is Parveen? She is wearing blue color dress, blue color top and blue color pant. Parveen is dancing. What she is doing? She is dancing. So again we have to remove the letter E from the word dance and we have to add ing. Now the last one, Vijay. What Vijay is doing? Vijay is cycling. So again we have to remove the letter E and we have to add ing. So students, this is the same exercise like previous one, but one additional thing is added over here. What we have to do, हमको यहाँ पिक्चर दी हुई है, उन पर्सन्स के आगे उनका नेम लिखा हुआ है, वो पर्सन क्या कर रहे हैं हमको वहाँ पर वो वर्ड लिखना है. ओके, सो आलिया इज स्केटिंग, रोशन इज राइटिंग, जैक इज राइडिंग, जो इज स्लाइडिंग, Parveen is dancing, Vijay is cycling. So words are given over here in the purple box and we have to write that same word, but one change we have to make. We have to remove the letter E and we have to add the letter ing. Okay kids? Now kids, this is the last exercise of the book. Now here what we have to do, write 4 sentences about Tubby. Use words from the box. Now students, first tell me, who is Tubby? Tubby is a fat cat. Tubby is a fat cat. So words are given over here in the box and we have to make sentence with the help of these words. Okay, so the first option, what is given? Color, brown. The first option is given to us is brown. So write the sentence, Tubby is a brown cat. So here we had used the word brown over here from the options are given over here from that option box. Okay, Tubby is a brown cat. So write Tubby, Tubby. Tubby is a brown, brown, brown cat, cat. Now what is the second option is given in this box? Favorite food. And what is the favorite food? Bread soaked in milk. Bread जो मिल्क के अंदर सोक की हो, जो मिल्क को पूरा ऑब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है. मिल्क ब्रेड को जब मिल्क के अंदर डिप करो तो ब्रेड पूरा वो सोक लेती है मिल्क. ओके, सो राइट द सेंटेंस. The second sentence, he likes to eat bread soaked in milk. He likes, likes, likes to, eat, eat bread, bread soaked, soaked, soaked in milk, milk, milk. Now the third option is favorite place to sleep. And what is the favorite place? It is sofa. So the third sentence is related to sofa. His favorite place to sleep is the sofa. So write his, his favorite, favorite, favorite place, 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 to, sleep, sleep, sleep is, the sofa, sofa, sofa. Now the fourth option, last option, favorite pastime. Pastime means जो फेवरेट चीज़ जिससे हम करते हैं, हम अपना टाइम पास करते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ प्लेइंग विथ बटरफ्लाइज. सो टबी लाइक्स टू प्ले विथ द बटरफ्लाइज. सो राइट द fourth sentence, note it down in the book itself. So the fourth option is he loves chasing butterflies. So write he loves, loves, loves chasing, chasing, chasing butterflies, butterflies, butterflies. Okay students, so we had finished all the exercise of the book. Now on the next video we are going to do the hard words and question answer of the same lesson in the notebook. Students, I feel very nice when I watched your video of rhymes and of reading the chapter. So I want you all to participate in this. You all send me the video of your reading the chapter or reciting the rhyme or any speaking activity also. If you want to add, you can add. I hope you all are taking care of yourself. Goodbye students. Take care.